Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. So this is the monthly favorite videos that I do every month. So this is for the month of December. Now December is a month of festivity and it has got festive vibes to it. We have Christmas, we have New Year's Eve, and we tend to buy a lot of things. I also bought a few things of my choice because I needed it as well as I loved the things that I bought. And these are one of my favorites till date, and I thought that I'll share this with you. So the first thing that I would be showing you is masks. Now if you remember, in the month of October, the October favorite video, I showed you a few masks that I bought, but those were plain masks. They were not printed, and I wanted something printed, and there seemed to be a lot of masks everywhere on every website, and that's why I was surfing through the websites and I came across these two beautiful masks. These are from a website called Bello Fox. I will write everything in the description box as well as on the screen so that it's useful to you. So I'll show you the masks first. So this is the first mask which I bought. It's a peach color and it has got beautiful flowers on it, and this was so pretty that it caught my attention. I thought that I will buy this. Actually these two were in a pair and you have to buy both of them. This is the second one. It has got floral prints on it. It has got leaves on it actually, kind of, and I love the print. These two were so pretty and so beautiful that I had to buy this because I was looking for one. Yeah, so this is the first thing that I loved, and I am wearing this every day. These are super comfortable and they are washable. Actually the material is very good, so I love everything about this mask. So this is the first thing that I wanted to show you guys. So the second thing which I want to show you is phone covers. I think you remember that in one of my vlogs I told you that I got 3 phone covers from a brand. Out of the 3 I loved 2, and from another brand I bought another one which I loved. So I'll show you the phone covers. These are the 2 phone covers which I loved. This is a rainbow colored case, and this is a transparent case with a border around the camera portion, and the sides are neon green. So I love this. And the third one is a cactus transparent case like this, and I love everything about these cases. These are not from a single brand. These are from 2 Insta stores from where I bought, and I'll link everything. These look super pretty on the phone, and I highly recommend the Insta stores from where I bought. So these are my second products which I wanted to show you guys. Okay, moving on to the third one. It's a beauty product. This is from a brand called Gala of London. Now I was looking for a good kajal. I have used almost all the brands, Plum, Lakme, Maybelline, and the other kind of brands that are available, Faces, but I loved the Plum one. The color was intense and everything, but I was looking for an alternative option. So this is a brand that I came across, and I am using this and I'm wearing it right now, and I think this is very good. The price is 150 rupees. I think it was 175. I think I got it 25 rupees off, and that's why it was 150 rupees, and I'm loving it. It's very comfortable, and the color is intense, and I was looking for something which won't smudge, because that is one of the top priority and top things that I was looking for in a kajal. I am till date loving it, so I thought that I'll recommend this. So that is the third one. Now moving on to this is one of my favorites. I have shown this I think in my vlog. This is a mug, coffee mug, which I've bought recently, and I love the print on it. Can I see this? It's so pretty, and I actually love having my coffee in this, but since I wanted to show this in the video, that's why I'm having coffee in this mug. I bought this from Gariahat market. It was for like 120 rupees, but I absolutely love this. I absolutely love this. Now moving on to one of the food items which I wanted to show you. As you know that I experiment with sandwich dressings. This is a ranch dressing which I bought from Spencer's in December, and as you can see, it's almost over, and I love it. This is from a brand called Viva. Many of my friends and also many of my subscribers recommended this brand Viva, and I bought this. This is 79% fat free ranch dressing made with quality ingredients, and I am loving this. I am using this almost every day, and the taste is a little bitter, but I love this. This is not exactly a mayonnaise, but this is absolutely perfect for a sandwich dressing. I'm also mixing this with the pizza sauce that I have, and that makes it even more yummier, and I highly recommend this, and I'll buy this again. So yeah, this is the one. Okay, the last one that I have to show you, this pair of slippers that I bought. So I had to buy a pair of slippers. So I went to Gariahat the other day. I vlogged. The next vlog will be that vlog, so stay tuned for that. I went to Gariahat market and I bought these pair of shoes or slippers, whatever you call them, sandals. I love this. I think the color is not perfectly shown on camera, but this is a midnight green color. The good thing about this chappal is that it's super comfortable. It's from a street shop. It costed me around 250 rupees. I am loving this because this is so soft. The sole is so soft, and this is velvety. This is velvety textured, and the sole is super soft, and it's so comfortable when you walk. And I'm absolutely in love with these slippers. So yeah, these are the few things which I wanted to talk about, and these are my absolute favorite for the month of December. And yeah, that is it for this video. Also, I wanted to talk about a few movies which I watched in the month of December. These are Christmas themed movies. I have talked about these in Insta stories. If you follow me on Instagram, then please do, because I am very, very, very active on Instagram. One is known as The Christmas Prince. It has got 3 parts, and you will absolutely love it. If you are a romantic at heart, and if you love Christmas themed movies, then you will absolutely love it, and I highly recommend it because I enjoyed it thoroughly. The second movie that I watched is known as Holiday. I loved it. It has got each and every element to it, which is super romantic, and it was super pretty. It was beautiful, so you can watch that. The third one is known as Dash and Lily, and I loved it. So that's it for this video. If you guys like my videos, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon, because that will help you get the notifications whenever a video comes out. And also, please do subscribe, guys. It will make my day even more better. And yeah, stay tuned for my next videos. A lot of vlogs, a lot of videos are going to come. I am being more consistent on YouTube, so please support me, and bye. Stay happy, stay blessed and stay positive.